HONISHEN wheel spacers with their incredible quality have attracted an increasing number of high-end clients for cooperation. The first thing that catches eye is the appearance of our products. Whether matte or glossy, you won't find the machining trace. Each piece is as smooth and delicate as a baby's skin. Our finish is clearly superior to other brands. Secondly, dimensional accuracy is the key that we strictly control. During machine setup, we use CMM to perform comprehensive and precise inspections of their inner bore, outer diameter, perpendicularity, and concentricity. During the production process, we use micrometer calipers for regular spot checks and use special inspection tools to conduct full PCD dimensional inspections. This ensures that each piece is accurate to within 0.02 mm. The quality of our wheel studs and nuts on the spacers is unquestionable, with both TUV and SGS certifications for strength and rust resistance. Other details further demonstrate our pursuit of excellence in quality. Each HONISHEN wheel spacer features anti-slip knurling on the outer circle and heat-dissipating grooves on the back, and at the same time, a disassembly slot is added to the edge, leaving every user with the best experience.